What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Kamikaze Garage. This episode is going to be simple, quick. We're just going to be installing the ARP head studs and dropping the head on. I got a few tips and tricks for that, for the ARP shit with the KA head. It's kind of a pain in the ass, at least for the S14 KA. So, get your fastener assembly loop. And just like the main studs, we want to lube up both sides and put them in. So let's get to it. Remember, all the way down by hand. And just hand tight with these, you get the torque from the nuts. Gives the threads a little clean, just so you're not having shit rub off on your head gasket, causing a weak seal. Now you're gonna go through with some brake cleaner, some acetone, and just clean the surface. Okay, so that's nice and clean. So now if you have any grease on your hands, it's time to put on gloves. Especially if you spent as much money as me on your head gasket. You don't want to be replacing this again. Because of the exchange, being in Canada, this is like a $300 head gasket. So this is a Tomei 1.5 mil head gasket. Multi-layer steel. As you can see over here, there's a lot of fucking layers to that. So we're not gonna fuck with that. So now we're gonna flip our head over and clean the bottom of that. So I'll show you that. Turbo drain first. So yeah, I gotta do that. Now we're just gonna wipe out all our lobes or journals here. I wanna wipe off our shims too while we're at it. Make sure there's no debris in them. And when I hit all those with some assembly. So now with the cams wiped off, we can lower that into its home. Better make sure this is the right cam. Okay, yeah, that's the right one. So now we're gonna take some more assembly lube, drop it on the tops of the cams. So now we have to tighten these down, get the cam down. And I'm going to read tighten a 17 inch-pounds first sequence and then 80 to 104. So lowest I can go on mine is 19. Tells us to torque outside in. Okay, so that's in. Now we repeat the process on the other side. So guys, this is where I'm wrapping up this episode. I actually will show you this. I'm taking everything else off. I'm putting in a little adapter here to run out to an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator. Took off the other clusterfuck and getting ready to cut off some of these tabs here. Gonna clean this up a little. So I'm doing all that off camera. But that's where we're ending the video today. Peace.